Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to assemble a wedding invitation.
So the first thing you'll want to do is organize by size. So you have your outer envelopes, your inner envelopes, invitation, details card or reception card, RSVP envelope, and RSVP card. So first thing what you're going to do is take the invitation. The invitation will always be the largest card. And then you're going to take either the details card, sometimes this is a directions card, or reception card, and just tuck it in. This one has a belly band, but if it doesn't have a belly band, just lay it on top. This, we're just going to tuck it inside. And then you have your RSVP and your RSVP envelope. So this envelope here has the address, so be sure you put a postage stamp here. Then you're just going to tuck in the RSVP card in the envelope flap, just like so, and slide it in. Next, you're going to take your inner envelope and just slide in the invitation suite inside the inner envelope. Notice everything's right side up. Most people are right-handed, so be sure when you slide it in, the envelope flap is on the right-hand side. This inner envelope is ungummed, so you're not going to seal the inner envelope. And then you're going to flip it over and just slide it into the outer envelope. This outer envelope is gummed, so you're going to seal the outer envelope. Return address goes on the back flap. And the formal names, addresses, and postage stamp.